Can I talk?
So it's like, I was like, bro,
Groovy.
do you like this girl?
Can I
That's
talk?
why I asked you. I was like, bro, do you like this girl? Because I don't get why you were
I knew he was
so
gonna
Can I,
go
did
there.
you ask me that?
about
Did you ask me that?
yes.
200
You
media
didn't ask me,
alcohol.
bro.
I said it, bro.
He didn't ask me.
I said it.
I just want to get you to respond to what he said.
Yeah.
Because he said you guys saw the situation play out and went with one and not necessarily listened to him or saw his perspective.
Bro, like,
When I
there's
came into the
no-
house, I came into the house as a married man, right? There were certain things I couldn't do. So the only thing I could do, I could flirt, I could be very... So I felt like Groovy was feeling some kind of way. Because maybe that's why he's saying now that if I had eyes for her. I didn't have any
No,
eyes.
bro, you were never a competition. I'm just saying you like that. That's just what I'm saying.
You
bro.
came
It's
in,
not-
see, it's very
Yeah,
important
I'm just saying you like that, bro. I'm not saying you were a competition. I'm not saying I felt threatened by you. I said you liked her. But you were married, obviously. That's why you couldn't move to her.
So my point is, he wasn't, I don't have a beef with him, I'm saying it again.
I don't have beef.
Because I wish everybody well in their lives. It was a show has ended, but since we are trashing it, I felt like he was too sneaky, like he said. He used to call him Koniman.
Yeah.
And it was very obvious for us to see. If you say you're with this person, why not stay committed to this person?
Okay.
Sometimes you go and sleep in Levi's bed and stuff. Do you get?
Okay.
So it was very...
Bryan, did you reach out to Groovy?
Everybody spoke about this thing. So this thing, like, bro, no offense, man, you the cap, man. You're
Bro,
capping, man.
what conversation
no offense, bro,
did we
like,
have?
This P.
What conversation did we have?
Chill,
bro?
bro, chill.
What conversation did we have? Because this whole
When
corny,
I'm
this
talking,
whole
allow
the
me
word,
speak now,
the
bro.
word
you
corny,
don't send pay. You're
the
not
word
calm. There's
corny
no calm in
started
your
from
blood.
you.
Relax, bro. Relax. Let me
The
talk.
word corny started from you. So what conversation did we have?
Let him talk.
Then that's what I'll get to now.
Let him talk.
That's what I'll get to.
Make
you
your point.
cited something. You said Beauty came and met me and said something. And I came to you and spoke to you about it. Then we had a conversation. Then I spoke to you about boundaries. I came and told you, bro, everybody is in your business. I don't know if you like that, but that does not make sense in an ideal relationship. Set boundaries, because it got to, like, the same person you're talking about, me and this babe argued. Like, when she went off on Ilebai and she was, I sat down and I was like, bro, I don't know what you're doing, man, but of the conversations we've had, you came here for 100M, so I'm tuning into that with you. This thing is irrelevant in the grand scheme of things. So the two parties we've spoken, so you don't get to come up here and be like, nobody reached out to come on, bro. We've had even in the new, even when we merged, even when we merged, we had several. Guy, relax now.
Boundaries with what? I should not allow Beauty to talk to you guys.
You are a man. You are in a relationship with a woman. How don't you set boundaries with your significant other? What is this guy
wait,
talking
I shouldn't
about
allow
now?
her to have conversations with you guys. Does that even make sense? We're in a confined space.
Okay.
We literally have ourselves to
All right,
talk about.
all right,
so what
all
do you
right.
expect?
Don't take accountability for that. It's
So what do you
okay.
expect?
It's cool. No wala.
He said I have an alcohol problem. Groovy, do you remember the last Saturday party? Who handed me the alcohol? Do you remember exactly what you said? I mixed my drink. I didn't mix yours. I will look after you. Please, am I lying?
I don't remember saying that.
Okay. That's fine. Second, you called me abusive. You called me violent. You said
got evicted.
no.
Plus, when you got evicted, when you got disqualified, we actually found liquor in your drawer.
The liquor in my drawer was for Khalid and Modela's birthday, which was the week before. I literally asked Big Brother to even give me a cake and a card. I was planning that birthday party with Bryan. I left, and the only thing you had to say to everybody was that I was drinking when you knew that alcohol was for a party that we were planning.
I had no idea about that.
Okay.
That's fine.
Groovy, did my hair touch you that day? Be very honest with yourself. Please have a conscience. Was I removing my hair to hit you that day?
So you know,
when we are together in private,
you know,
wait, let me land. Or when we are together in private, have I ever touched you or tried to be violent towards you or abuse you in any way whatsoever? The only thing I did that I apologized, and I will still apologize today because guess what? I am more mature than you, is the body shaming part. I said sorry on the show. In fact, I didn't even know that I body shamed you. Is that crazy? It was the next day that Saif called me aside in the garden and said there was something you said. I said, what did I talk? He now told me, he said it. I was like, Jesus Christ. Then I was gauging him. When he went upstairs, I ran after him. Then I told him, please, let's talk. Because at that point, too, I was also hurt, you know, but I knew that I still had to say sorry for that. And I apologized to him on the show. I came out of the show. I still apologized. My first and only interview, I have never spoken about this. And if you want me to say sorry to you now, I'll still say sorry. I'm sorry that I said that about you, Groovy. I'm mature. I can do that. But can you sit there and tell me that I was violent and abusive towards you?
Yes, you were.
Okay. I'll leave you to your conscience.
See, the events that led to your disqualification says it all. That is it.
It's okay.
The events that led to your
I will
disqualification
leave
says
you
it all.
with
There's
your
no need.
conscience.
And also,
I
your
said I will leave you with
apology,
your conscience.
your apology was not genuine. Beauty.
My apology was not
It
genuine.
was
That's
not.
the thing. How do you know if it was genuine or not?
Because when Biggie played that video,
Oh, wow.
when Biggie played that video, like I was even scared because I was like, oh my, what did I do? I didn't even have like, I was high that day, that night. I didn't even know what exactly. I was scared. I was like, did I do something to this girl? I had no idea. We watched the whole thing from her throwing her things on me to the mic thing. You're still not taking accountability for your actions.
Boy,
That is
I
just,
have never,
that is just the
what you
truth.
don't understand.
You're not.
Groovy, I
That
have
is
never
just the
blamed
truth.
you for anything that happened
That
to
is
me. Is
just
what I'm
the
trying to
truth.
tell you. Because guess what? Guess what? Just like you said, I'm an adult. I should have watched my alcohol intake. I shouldn't have listened to you. I went on the show alone. And since I came out of this show, have I ever, for once, said Groovy is the reason why I left the show? I have owned up to my mistake.
You have?
Yes, I have. Multiple times, I have. But just because I'm owning up to my
Ebuka,
mistake does not mean
I'm
I'll
going to
sit
talk. I just
here
want to finish.
and you sit there and make it look like I'm stupid, I don't know what I'm saying. Or is it the times when I even told you, go and get to know every girl in this house from level 1 to level 2. If you're sure that it's me you still want, come back. Did we not have that conversation? How many times, even the whole don't dance with this, you are having amnesia because I know you forgot the first
Nobody's
party.
having.
When
Nobody's.
you stopped
I
me
don't
from
want to
dancing with
interrupt
Sai,
you.
you even started the whole don't dance with this. Sai, please, am I lying?
I say I want to give Showmax
I don't want to
timeline
interrupt
like
you. I
this.
just want you to talk.
I'm like,
What is
Ebuka,
happening
you said I
here?
shouldn't
So you
interrupt
see,
her, that's why.
let me just establish this, just so you know. I'm not pissed. I'm not even like this is not. To be honest, I didn't come here to even go into details of me and you, and I'll tell you why. I respected what we had. For the time that it was there, I acknowledged it. The mistake happened. See, guy, let me tell you, life is bigger than you and I.